In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download Robinhood crypto account statement. Also, if you do not have a Robinhood account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. To start, open the website robinhood.com. Then click on the login button at the upper right corner of the screen. Next, in the fields provided, enter your Robinhood email and password. Once the email and password is entered, click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see an account option at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account. A drop-down list will then appear. From the options provided, you will see an option for Reports and Statements. Click on Reports and Statements. You will then be redirected to this page. On the left side of the screen, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Crypto. Here you will see a list of your crypto account statements. Click Download PDF next to the statement you wish to download. That's how you download your Robinhood crypto account statement. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.